Hey guys, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another video. I'm out here at White Rock, British Columbia. So out by the ocean, and I decided to make a quick video on two dinosaurs that I picked up at a used toy store. I got them for 20 bucks each. It's kind of pricey, but not that bad compared to prices on eBay. I already have these figures and decided I wanted another pair, especially of the Allosaurus. I've been wanting this guy for a while to have a double of it since it's such an amazing figure. It's got that movie accuracy, which I enjoy. It's a little larger than what was in the movie, though I love this Allosaurus a lot, and the style definitely stands out for the Jurassic World rendition of it, which is really neat. And I can do photography with two of them now, which is great. So this guy's going to be my traveling Allosaurus. I can bring him places and not worry about him getting scuffed up. Same with the Carno. He's very cool. I've already got, I think, 3 of this exact figure already. I can't get enough of this action feature, and I firmly believe this is the best Carnotaurus we have. The Control and Conquer ones are a bit cartoony for me, and I dislike the size proportions. A bit too big, but this guy is fantastic, or gal. The colors and the proportions are really nice. The size is perfect, and I love this action feature. So much fun. Now that I have 4 of them, I'm probably going to do a repaint of one of them somewhere down the line. Just the nostalgia of these two figures and the whole main line for the 2018 Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom lineup it's kind of the same equivalent for me as kind of like the Kenner for other people. This is the sort of lineup that I grew up with, and I got that overwhelming feeling of just joy seeing these guys on the shelves for the first time. So I'm glad to finally pick up a set of doubles to bring them around and do photography with, and not really worry about them getting scuffed up, because we know how much these guys cost on eBay now. Oh my goodness, so much money. So I thought, hey, 20 bucks, not that bad, right? So that's basically it. I just wanted to show you guys these older figures that don't get enough love nowadays, in my opinion, and share some thoughts on them. The colors may be basic, but they definitely stand out, and whenever I see them, instantly they're recognizable as the first wave Allosaurus and Carnotaurus. And you can see even on the figures' bodies, there's all these different details, like the cuts and scrapes, like they've been surviving on the island. The creators of these figures definitely did not hold back on leaving those details, all these little scrapes, scratches, and bumps, stuff like that. And I feel like some of the newer figures are kind of lacking these details, which the first figures had. But again, just super glad they exist, and I absolutely love them to death. And I'll quickly lump in, if you guys have seen my older video, I also picked up the Mosasaurus the same week. I picked this guy up for 5 bucks at the Value Village. So this week has been, or last week rather, has been very successful on thrift store and secondhand runs. Maybe I'll start getting out and doing that more often, as I feel like I haven't been doing it as of much lately. So maybe there might be some scores waiting for me in the coming weeks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and you want to see more content like this, definitely subscribe, or I love to see comments down below on future videos I should be doing, like if you guys want to see me review any other figures or do any other locations, as I'm starting to do reviews in crazy locations. I want to kind of pick up my channel and have some unique things and content going on here for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video then. Bye-bye.